uMandindi uchazele iKhomishana ngomhlangano webhodi okwagcina kuwona kuthathwa isinqumo esingehlanga kahle kuyena.
The discussion was really around the unhappiness with the CEO and the CFO, and the company secretary came in the midst of that. So it was really around the executive's performance and behavior along those lines.
Uthi kwathi uma kuvela emhlanganweni ukuthi kumele kuphenyisiswe izikhulu eziphezulu zalenkampani, wakuveza ukuthi akeneme ngalesinqumo ngoba wayesibona singaphusile.
I raised my objections because I felt that if we are to be getting into a discussion, especially when it's that advanced that you're talking of suspending senior people in the organization, we should be receiving a report back from the audit committee, so that all of us as board members are present in that sitting, and also we would have applied our minds as to the facts that were being considered by the audit committee.
uMandindi uthi kwakumkhathaza kakhulu ukuthi kungani ibhodi lifune ukuphuthuma kangaka ngokuthi liphenye izikhulu eziphezulu kwazise amalungu alo ayesemasha engakazani kahle kwawona.
That was my concern, because if you read later in my letter, I talk about haste. That it sounded like it was a hasty decision to do so because we haven't fully evaluated the facts in hand.
Leli bhodi elalizophenya indlela izikhulu eziphezulu ezisebenza ngayo iDenel laqokwa ngo2015, kanti ufakazi wanamhlanje kanye namanye amalungu amane bagcina besula esikhundleni ngo2017 ngemuva kokuqubuka kwezinsolo zenkohlakalo efaka phakathi enye izinkampani zomndeni wakwaGupta. isigcawu siyaqhubeka.